So what's going on, everybody? This is actually going to be just my Instagram outreach method, like specifically I'm doing for like copywriting and stuff. I'm partially sharing this to hopefully help some of you out, some like beginners, and just also document my process. I'll kind of get to like how or like my actual results at the end of it, but I'll just kind of show you like initially how I am doing this as of now. So let's hop in. So, as all good tutorials start off with a Miro for whatever reason, but yeah, so this is, I mean, it's a little bit backwards, but I'm actually going to be starting with the tracking portion of it and, how I track and, just keep note of everything. And then I'm going to show you how I vet clients and like find them and, see which is, a good fit. And then finally, the finally the messaging, right? And like the actual research. I do a little bit of research, of course, into when crafting like my outreach message, but it's nothing like too crazy or anything. That of course I'll walk you through. But yeah, so first off, the tracking. I actually just use Google Sheets. I actually just made one actually for this, but I'll show you this one, my actual clientele outreach one, but. Yeah, just a blank sheet, which is basically this one. I use Google Sheets specifically because when I'm on the bus or the train, I usually not like to be only just bound to my computer at times. When I have some downtime out and about, I try to be on my phone, outreaching the clients and stuff. So, and plus it's also synced. Like I've noticed, like with Excel files and stuff, you have to like download it from like your computer to your phone every single time you change it. So it's kind of not really the best I don't know, like for portability. So yeah, so usually this is kind of how I set it up, right? I set up like in the name. Usually, I mean, I was thinking honestly, I could probably just take out the name because the URL is already here. Of course, the URL, then the status, and then the response, right? And I feel like the status is pretty, status and response are pretty, self-explanatory. But yeah, that's pretty much how I'm setting it up. I actually already have a couple examples specifically for like the actual what's it called, like finding clients and stuff. And of course, you could just go whatever. I actually found this person actually. I think it's a pretty good example. I just find like, of course, like whatever niche you're in, whether that's coaching or fitness or some sort of like online courses or something. It is. I mean, there's literally hundreds, but. I usually do like teachers and coaches, things like that. But yeah, so I find like my biggest telltale sign if they have a product is on going on their Insta. They have like a link, right? Because obviously if they have like nothing to sell you, then obviously you can't really help them. And then of course, just for those who don't know, for the few souls who don't know. Yeah, you can just click this like top button up here, like to show similar accounts. If you did find someone who you can who is like a good client or is like a good prospect you want to work with, you can just go through all the other suggested ones. I usually, what I do to kind of speed up the process a little bit, I usually try to find some that are only like that have coach in like the actual title or something. Just so, I mean, you could go through all of them. Yeah, like coach, I would click on her. The in relationship, it looks like coach. Yeah, it looks like this is also in his name. I try to just like try to find like certain keywords in their names to kind of like speed up the process a little bit. That's just me personally. But yeah, going back to this Coach Ryan guy, I click on the link to kind of see what he offers, and once it pulls up here. Yeah, so book a session, obviously, yeah, stuff. You grow, messing up my words. Go down, obviously, $14.99. Okay, it's looking pretty hot over here. It's looking good, looking spicy, it's looking hot. Oh yeah, look at that, bam. Then you start seeing these big ass prices. Then it's fucking hot, spicy. Okay, then now we're working with something. So now I would deem this as like, yeah, this is a good client, right? Okay, so going up here. Usually they have like a newsletter or something. I mean, you could go through, this is just for example purposes, you can, I also sign up to the newsletters as well, just to kind of see like how they craft their messages and like how I can, help them and just get like a better understanding of how they speak when they're writing. So I would yeah, just basically take this guy's link, copy it, and just come over here, paste it, and call it good. And then for the actual like message, like it's literally that simple. Like I actually don't use that much for like vetting. It's just like basic simple stuff. And then for finally the actual message, I was gonna have like put like what I put, but like the thing is I don't actually use a template. I just kind of format the message how or like based off of what they offer. So and again, it also would be counterproductive to put a template because people would just copy it and then it just wouldn't work anymore. That's kind of like I don't know why it's just weird. So yeah, this is kind of like how I format it though. I'll just give you like the format, like how I kind of structure these messages. So I'd be like, hey name, do you need help with X or whatever they have available? Do you need help with your email? I don't know, your email newsletter, or do you need help with blog posts, or what, like literally like whatever whatever they have available, right? Offer, and then personally me, what I'm doing is I'm offering like a 2-week free trial, and then of course at the end of the 2 weeks, if all goes well, work together and etc. Right, go from there. But yeah, that or I often do it free on a weekly or daily basis. Yeah, like produce like content for them or give them for just free value. And then if you'd be interested, let me know. That's literally all I do. That's actually how I booked that one call as well. I uploaded just the other day. So I mean, obviously it works. I mean, granted, I got started sending out just more just kind of test and stuff. This is also why I'm documenting this, but just kind of update on my findings. But this is kind of something I would just write just completely off the top of my head. Right? Hey name, I came across your blog and was interested in writing some emails for your newsletter for free. I also put that in brackets because that usually, I feel anyways, boosts like the response rate. At least I think so. Let me know if you'd be interested and I'll get started on it. Boom, dead ass simple, right? I mean, like what I've noticed is like you don't have to write like some fucking Stephen King novel to them. You know what I mean? With APA formatting, like it literally can be this simple, and that's actually what I'm noticing. Like I actually get a couple responses just off of like a basic structured email or outreach message like this. So yeah, so that's kind of all that I just wanted to show. Editing, client research. Research, yeah, and I mean, so I guess yeah, like the research part, how I crafted. I guess I did talk about it a little bit, but yeah, just what they have available. Like if they have like a newsletter, if they have blogs, if they have like a YouTube channel, or like of course if they do like short form content and stuff on like TikTok, like just see it'll be like a script writer, things like that. I mean, yeah, just kind of just see what they have available and just kind of mark it down. That's at least that's what I do personally. Hopefully you all could get some sort of value out of this. I'll show you actually my one I use, my clientele outreach. I just kind of block out the names. I've been actually thinking about taking out the names just because it's kind of just redundant, honestly. Yeah, so this is my actual other. I must have it open on another page. So yeah, obviously I've outreached a couple. This is on just copywriting specifically. I probably should have done this when I did like programming and shit, but I mean I guess it's like a whole different domain, so it's completely different. But I don't really know why I never really like kept track of this shit either. So I guess now I'm starting to. So and though as time goes on, it will get bigger, and I'll update you guys as well on the findings. But yeah, so for the most part, it's mainly just regular outreach, nothing too crazy. I mean, I do have a couple high value outreaches, which I never got any response to. But yeah, it's like a high value outreach, meaning like I find the problem, I just like actually do the work for them. Like I actually just go back to Google Docs, basically write the copy or whatever it is, like the headlines, the new sales page, or like the landing page, or like emails, etc. I go up to share, skip real quick, share. So no, share please. Okay, I think I gotta have a title there. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so share, and then I usually just put commenter, and then yeah, copy link. So now anyone can have it, and then just send them the link in the actual Instagram um, like outreach message. So that is pretty much it. Obviously, I haven't really gotten too much responses from the high value, like the actual like high value outreach. Just because I mean I've only done three as well. That's probably why I also just have gotten more with regular because I've just done more regular. So I guess it's just kind of I don't know like survivorship bias or something like that, if that applies here. But yes, I'll definitely do kind of more of both. But and also how I would structure the high value outreach message would just be like something like, hey, hey name. This is how I would actually structure this. Let me just kind of break this up a little bit. Hey name, I wrote some emails for your newsletter. Feel free to use them. I hope you get some good value out of it. I'd be interested in making some more if you like them. That's and then just put like the feel free to use them. I just put like the link like right here. Um, so that's kind of how I would structure that specifically. I mean, as again, I don't use templates. I just use like a general like format and just kind of make it up on the fly. Personally, I don't like using templates. I just feel like it's kind of tacky. Yeah, that's really just about it though. I should be completely real with you. Like it's this is basically what I do. And yeah, I'm just gonna just keep continuing with this. I'm gonna document any findings I actually come across, and so I can share with you all. Of course, if you have any questions, I'll leave my Discord, Instagram, and my Twitter. I don't even know why I link my Twitter. Like I don't even use that shit. But like if you want to contact me, honestly, I'd say Instagram and Discord is probably the best. Probably even Discord, honestly. But yeah, so I mean, if you want to, yeah, just hit me up over there, ask any questions, then definitely do so. But outside of that, that's really just about it, though. Yeah, that's really just about it. I mean, so anything else? Oh yeah, so I guess upcoming on the channel, I've also been reading like some books. Specifically, I recently read, or I guess like about a month ago, read Take Their Money by Kyle Milligan. I think it's a good book. I read it on my Kindle here. I also have like $100 million offers by Alex Hormozy. I'm going through the one sentence persuasion course. I'm thinking about making like summaries on these to kind of like just get to the main point, at least how I would put it into a like a summarization, a condensation or whatever of the book for other beginners like myself. So yeah, that's something I'm also thinking about throwing up here on the channel, recording along with some breakdowns of other like a copy of other pieces of copy, like like just ads, emails, landing pages in Miro as well. I've already done like a whole list, a whole like big ass sheet of just copy I already broke down. So I'm thinking about maybe just covering that as well to help other copywriters as well, and and even to also get some feedback, so we can all grow. I can also share my findings as well with all of you. So yeah, that's basically it though for this video. I hope hope you can get something from this. I really do. I really hope these videos are like somewhat educational in a sense, or get something, some sort of value from them. And yeah, I guess without that with all that being said, yeah, you all take care, and peace out.